Ever wondered how to deploy a large language model like ChatGPT in your organization? It's a process that involves several steps, from planning and development to deployment and maintenance. Firstly, one must define the objectives and scope. What does the organization aim to achieve by deploying ChatGPT? It could be for customer support and internal knowledge base or content generation. Defining the scope of deployment, including which departments will use it and the types of interactions expected, is also crucial. The second step is to assess the technical infrastructure. Can the existing IT infrastructure support deploying ChatGPT? This includes evaluating server requirements, network capabilities, and security systems, and upgrading infrastructure as necessary. Next comes the development or customization of the model. This may involve training ChatGPT on domain-specific data or adjusting its responses to align with the organization's tone and policies. It's also necessary to develop integration points for ChatGPT with existing systems. Step 4. Implement data security and privacy measures. This includes ensuring compliance with relevant data protection regulations and establishing clear data handling policies to protect sensitive information. The fifth step is pilot testing. Select a small group of users to test ChatGPT in a controlled environment and collect detailed feedback on its performance, usability, and any issues encountered. The sixth step is training and rollout. Provide necessary training for staff to use and manage ChatGPT effectively, and start with a phased rollout to monitor performance and make adjustments before full deployment. The seventh step is monitoring and maintenance. Continuously monitor the performance of ChatGPT to ensure it meets expected standards, and regularly update the model and its integrations based on user feedback and technological advancements. Finally, review and scale. Periodically review the deployment against original objectives and scope. Based on the review, decide on scaling the deployment to other parts of the organization or expanding its capabilities. While deploying a large language model like ChatGPT, potential risks like data privacy and security, compliance, bias, and ethical concerns, dependence on technology, and integration challenges might arise. Mitigation approaches include implementing robust encryption and access controls, ensuring compliance with data protection regulations, continuously monitoring and refining the training data, establishing clear guidelines for its use, and careful planning of integrations. So that's the step-by-step guide to deploying ChatGPT in an organization. Remember, it's not just about using an AI model, it's about using it effectively and responsibly.